Here is a detailed guide on how to make margherita pizza. Ingredients: 1 pizza dough ball, about 250 grams. Half cup tomato sauce. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves. 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Roll out the pizza dough on a flat surface. 2. If using store-bought dough, follow the instructions on the packaging. 3. Spread the tomato sauce over the dough, leaving about 1 centimeter of the edge without sauce. 3. Use a spoon or the back of a spoon to evenly distribute the sauce on the dough. 4. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. 5. Add fresh basil leaves on top of the cheese. 6. Finally, drizzle the pizza with 1/4 cup of olive oil. 7. Add salt and pepper to taste. 8. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. 9. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing it into pieces. Enjoy your margherita pizza.